Hello students, today we will start our third chapter, multiplication and division. As we know that in earlier classes you have done this topic, so today we will solve 3 digits multiplication and division. Here in this chapter we will solve 3 digits multiplication and division. Let's see exercise 3.1. First question is given 286 multiply 125. Here 286 3 digits are there and 125 3 digits. Now see multiplication 286 into 125. First 5 into 6 is 30, write 0 here, carry 3. 5 into 8 is 40, 40 plus 3 is 43, write 3 here, carry 4. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Next 2 into 6 is 12, write 2 here, carry 1. 2 into 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, write 7 here, carry 1. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Next 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into 8 is 8, 1 into 2 is 2. Now add these numbers. Write 0 here, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, write 7 here, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, write 5 here, carry 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Same as do this part 677 multiply 212. So write 677 into 212. 2 sevens are 14, write 4 here, carry 1. 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, write 5 here, carry 1. 2 into 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Now 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 7 is again 7, 1 into 6 is 6. Next step 7 into 2 into 7 is 14, write 4 here, carry 1. 2 into 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, write 5 here, carry 1. 2 into 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Now add these numbers, write 4 here, 5 plus 7 is 12, write 2 here, carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, write 5 here, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 5, 13, write 3 here, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1, write 1 here. Same as we will solve these parts 999 into 400 and 777 into 222. Now we will solve word problems which are based on multiplications. So first question is a packet contains 225 toffees. How many toffees will be there in 45 such packets? We have given 225 toffees in one packet and we have to tell how many toffees will be in 45 packets. Now see the solution. Number of toffees in one packet is 225 and we have to find number of toffees in 45 packets. So we will multiply 225 into 45. Let's see the multiplication. 225 into 45. 5 into 5 is 25, write 5 here, carry 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, write 2 here, carry 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 4 into 5 is 20, write 0 here, carry 2, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, write 0 here, carry 1, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now add these numbers, write 5 here, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 9 is 10. Therefore, there will be 10,125 toffees in 45 पैकेट्स. कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ होंगी हमारे पास 45 पैकेट्स में? 10,125 टॉफ़ीज़. Now see next question. 165 students are studying in Government Higher Secondary School, Tada. A donor donates 550 rupees per student for their uniform. Find out the total donated amount. In this question, we have given total number of students 165 and a donor donates 550 rupees पर स्टूडेंट फॉर देयर यूनिफॉर्म. उनकी यूनिफॉर्म के लिए, पर स्टूडेंट की यूनिफॉर्म के लिए डोनर कितने रुपीज़ डोनेट करता है? 550. एंड यू हैव टू टेल द टोटल डोनेटेड अमाउंट. आपको टोटल डोनेटेड अमाउंट बताना है इसमें. नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज इक्वल टू 165. डोनेटेड अमाउंट per student is given rupees 550. Now total donated amount will be 165 into 550. Now we will multiply 165 into 550. We get 90750. Therefore the total donated amount is rupees 90,750. Now fifth question is given. A drum contains 220 liter oil. How much oil will be 340 drums contain? In this question we have given 220 liter oil in one drum and we have to tell in how much oil will be in 340 drums. 340 drums में कितना oil contain कर सकते हैं. See the solution. One drum contains oil is equal to 220 liters. 340 drums contain oil. 340 into 220 liters. 340 into 220. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6, same as 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6. Now add these numbers, write 0 here, again 0, 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 8 is 14, write 4 here, carry 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. Therefore 74,800 liters oil contain in 340 drums. 340 drums में कितना ऑयल होगा? 74,800 liters. Now see next question. Price of a single chair is given 678 rupees. What will be the price of 296 chairs? In this question we have given price of a single chair is 678 rupees and we have to tell the price of 296 chairs. Cost of one chair is given 678 rupees. Cost of 296 chairs 678 into 296. So see the multiplication. 678 into 296. When we multiply these digits we get 200,688. It means rupees 2,688 will be the cost price of 296 chairs. कितना प्राइस होगा 296 chairs का? 2,688 rupees. Now seventh question. How many plants will be there in